Today, the visiting team from CEMASTEA has also taken these learners through these subjects. And the learners are very excited because what they are being taught today to take this pathway so that they may be able to learn with hands-on and to embrace technology that is the technology that is being used in every part of the country and in every sector of education. And I think because of today's visit, our learners are encouraged and they'll be very happy to take the STEM pathway because most of them want to take courses which will help them to be, they'll be technology oriented for their future careers.
Our children have experienced the practicals in terms of the integrated science practicals that we usually learn in class, and they are very happy, and we are very thankful for them coming. Today, we have been privileged to see some of the laboratory apparatus that the learners have never seen. An example of a live condenser, we've only seen a live condenser on the textbook, but today we've been able to see the live condenser as an apparatus. The learners have been able to interact with those apparatus. They have been able to see some reactions. For example, today we did a reaction between magnesium and oxygen. They have been able to understand some of the concepts that we teach in class. When we talk about chemical and temporary and permanent changes, they have been able to understand that today, thanks to CEMASTEA for that opportunity they have.
By the coming of CEMASTEA to Busia, we have seen that it has enhanced the hands-on activities, and I believe from here learners will be able to do something much different. There was a question you asked on mathematics.
Yes.
I want to say that maybe if we approached mathematics theoretically, then mathematics becomes difficult. But from how CEMASTEA has presented maybe some of the formulas, how they have brought up some of the questions and demonstrated how some of the problems are done, mathematics is very easy and enjoyable. So to me, I will say, if it were possible, let all learners enjoy doing mathematics because mathematics is part of life and it's life.
Most of the time we have most of our learners thinking that mathematics and science are for the chosen few. But I think this experience has brought to them the real life experience at their door. We are grateful that so far we have a lab, though it's not so functional, but we're able to see how we can be able to, utilize and mobilize even the few resources that we have in our school setup to be able to teach the learners better.
Know that when CBC started, people have had misconceptions about STEM, about science, about technology, about mathematics. But today they have had an opportunity to interact with the experts. Both the teachers have asked the questions that they had, and the learners have also not only asked the questions, but also have interacted with the equipment that is in use in these areas. It has come very timely now that my grade 9 learners are set to select the areas in which they want to pursue their studies in. It has opened them and given them an insight in what to expect if they so choose to learn the STEM, which most of them now are yearning for. Initially they thought mathematics, science is meant for the gifted, but they have discovered that it's something doable and anybody can do it as long as they have the will and there is an environment and equipment.
It's been the first time I've seen new people here, but it's also a privilege to us as learners. As a learner, I've experienced the hands-on skills because I had never interacted with some of the apparatus, but today I got an opportunity to even handle the apparatus I've never handled. I also was privileged to go to the visual programming sector, where I also learned programming skills, and it was very enjoyable. I can also say the initiative I brought to school is going to help a lot of learners, because we have these learners who are very demoralized, thinking that STEM was very difficult because they were learning theoretically. But I can tell all learners that according to what we have experienced today, everything that we have gone through, STEM is just an easy course, because as you interact with the apparatus, you get to learn new things.
When you are learning in class, there are a lot of learners and the items are not enough, and we are not able to see them because the teacher is out there demonstrating. And as I sit there, I want to go there. As I sit, I want to go there and to do this practical myself, because if I don't do it, how will I do it when it comes in the final test?
Maana nao na tumeweza kuona baadhi za bidhaa ambazo hatukuwa tunaweza kujua, kama bidhaa za kompyuta tumeweza kuzishika pia na kuziona, na pia tumeweza kujuzwa mengi. Pia tumeweza kufunzwa masomo ya sayansi, pia tumeweza kuona bidhaa za sayansi ambazo tumika katika maabara, na pia tumeweza kuzishika na kuzitumia.
Haifuji.
Hapa ni gani? Good.
So, system software allows the machine to boot. But then, but as to switch on, the computer is saying,
What is the function of a test tube? You said that this is the function of a test tube. Yes?
You can compare and contrast this one and this one.
Draw what you are able to see. So,
wires. It has to have a tight connection. If it doesn't have a tight connection, it can either burn you or burn.